What's up, guys? Today we are making another video. Today we're going to be playing FNF, and I actually really like this game. Let's do it normal. Okay, check it. I know you guys can't hear the music, but bum, bum, I haven't played in a while, so if I suck, don't. Oh my god. Knew it! Oh, I knew it. I suck. Boy, don't, but I haven't played in a while. I haven't played in about like a year now. If I lose this one, I'm not playing this. How do I leave? How do I leave? Ask. Oh. Huggy Wuggy. Let's do Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy is a good mod. Huggy Wuggy's easy also, so this one should be easy. Because honestly, whenever I play Huggy Wuggy, I win. Huggy Wuggy's easy, don't. There's some new mods on Huggy Wuggy. There's some new ones. Rapper style. See, it's slow. This is well, you can't hear, but it was like 3, 2, 1, go. Wait! There's keys so close to my other keys! That makes me so mad! It's like top. So this is top, this is bottom, this is here, and then there's 2 extra keys. Beep bada beep bo bada beep bo bada oda oda era bada beep See, I'm good. I'm telling you, 2 misses. It's stopping me. What do I care? What do I care? But I keep on clicking the PG up and PG down. Baby bop, bop bop beep bop bow, bop bop beep bop bop, bop bop beep bop beep 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 beep. Got the last one. Okay, honestly, I'm gonna say I did good that round. I did good. Well, I finished. That's all for today. I'll see you later. Bye. Wait. Uh oh. Yeah. That's what.